Hi guys, this is Deepak from Salesforce Wiki and our today's topic is what is Visual Force. So guys, Visual Force is a component based user interface which enables us to create dynamic and reusable interfaces. Now what that means is we can create Visual Force pages which can be used to show us the data on Salesforce platform, and we can even create different components which can be used later on. Okay. Now what is this component based? Component based means a Visual Force page consists of different components. Now what are these components are? So components are basically set of tags. So as we know, HTML is a markup language. Similarly, Visual Force is also a markup language of Salesforce. Okay guys. So here also we have different tags, combination of different tags which ultimately creates one Visual Force page. Okay. So guys, let's learn about what are actually Visual Force pages and why actually they came into the picture. Okay, so guys, like we know, HTML is used to create web pages. So similarly, Salesforce was requiring to create custom pages. So what it did, it developed its own markup language which is known as Visual Force. Okay, so Visual Force basically is used to create custom web pages. But guys, one more thing to note here, that we know that HTML is a strong language like which can be used to create a complete website, but here Visual Force is not that much capable. It is only used for internal works of Salesforce, like we have to create custom pages and display on Salesforce platform. Okay, so basically Visual Force pages does is it creates a page which is very much similar to Salesforce standard page. Okay, now what is Salesforce standard page? So guys, standard page is something which is now displayed to us, like wait, I'll show you. So suppose this on this Salesforce platform, this is the home page. Okay, if we go to any of the object and we open any of the record, then this is known as record page. So these are the standard pages, standard Salesforce pages which are provided to us. And what we can do, if we want to customize it according to us, then what maximum we can do is, by going to the page layouts, we can delete any of the field from here, and maximum we can move something here to there, but we cannot fully customize it. So for customizing this Visual Force this Salesforce standard page completely, we don't have authority. Okay, so for this Salesforce created a visual markup language which can create a custom page which is fully customizable by us. Okay, so guys, there are basically more than two ways to create Visual Force pages, but I'm gonna show you two of most popular ways to create Visual Force page. Okay, so there are two ways. First is from Salesforce setup and second one is from developer console. So let's go and do some demo for this. First we will create a Visual Force page using setup. So we will go to setup, and here in quick find box we will search for Visual Force pages. On Visual Force setup page we will click on new and we'll enter the name of our Visual Force page. Okay, so guys, Salesforce by default provides us some code for Visual Force pages which are known as boilerplate code. Okay. Once the page is created, here we can see our code is written and we can preview our code from preview button. So see, this is our Visual Force page with the message which is written under this h1 tag. Okay, and now we'll move to the second way to create a Visual Force page. So from gear icon we have to click on developer console, and in developer console we have to go to file, new, and click on Visual Force page. We have to provide our name of the first Visual Force page, and as we can see, the root of the page is provided, so we can write any of the code which we want to write on this page. Okay, And guys, from here in developer console as well, we have one preview button. So by clicking on this preview button, we can view our page, Visualforce page from here. So this was it for today, guys. We will go through advantages of Visualforce into the next lecture. Thank you. Like, subscribe and share.